think of services, you typically think of basic kind of services, whether it's a restaurant visit, hospital stay, or something as simple as customer service from a clerk at a store. However, no one ever really thinks of the service that makes these kind of services exist. Construction is something we may encounter on a daily basis, and while it can be kind of annoying, without it, the things we enjoy would not exist. We would not enjoy our spa days, long weekends at resorts, or sitting here in school learning. Our video illustrates why construction services are important to all other service industries. The construction company portrayed in our video is Southern Development and Construction Incorporated. Southern Development and Construction is a professional team comprised of engineers, designers, consultants, and contractors with two things in common: service and a commitment to providing a high level of professional service in a cost-effective manner. Since 1985, Southern Development and Construction has completed a diverse number of projects in many areas including resort, theme parks, commercial, residential, and industrial for both the public and private sectors. The Servicescape we explored is a construction site for a new shopping center near the Orlando International Airport called the Lee Vista Promenade. In building this complex, SDC Incorporated is providing service to multiple businesses which will open new restaurants and stores in the shopping center. In the Servicescape our group explored, we found that worker safety was a top priority and specific safety guidelines were implemented very well in the Servicescape to prevent harm from occurring to anyone within the construction area. As you can see, it is required for everyone in the area to wear proper safety equipment, and the workers are also trained to use proper technique when operating in or around construction machinery in order to prevent sudden injury. Workers are required to wear hard safety hats and high visibility neon yellow safety vests. They are also trained to properly position equipment for safety when not in use, as you can see from the arm lifts placed at the down position. In the design and maintenance of this Servicescape, keeping the site secured, well organized, and clean was of utmost importance. The construction site has a few no trespassing signs, as well as fencing surrounding the area to enforce the security of the area. Tall green fencing surrounds the entire perimeter of the Servicescape to prevent trespassers from walking into the construction site. When customers visit the Servicescape, they are given a tour of the property by a knowledgeable worker who knows the progress of the project. For these tours, it is important that the Servicescape be organized and building materials are kept separated from the actual construction area. Blueprints are also shown to the customer and document the placement and building of every part of the construction project. The construction crew also operates machinery for organizing the piles of dirt around the site. This helps to keep the area clean and clear of obstructions. To positively influence the service experience, we felt the Servicescape could implement better usage of signage to label the different parts of the construction project. Aside from the blueprints, there were no clear illustrations of what goes where to better help the customer visualize the progress of the project during inspection. We also felt that sound was the biggest influence on the customer's experience. Construction sites are often very noisy, and during customer tours it can be difficult to hear what someone is saying over the loud noises of the surrounding machinery. Lighting is also a factor. Because the entire Servicescape is exposed in bright and sunny daylight, it can be difficult for customers touring to view certain parts of the site depending on the angle of the sun during that time of day. And it can also make taking notes during the inspection of the site very difficult if the customer is using an electronic display such as a tablet or a smartphone. Because Southern Development and Construction deals primarily with exterior design and construction for its clients, we felt this Servicescape fulfills the role of packaging. When the exterior construction of the shopping complex is completed, it will convey to the customers the external image of what will go inside the shopping complex once the customers begin to work on designing, setting up, and implementing their businesses throughout the interior of the shopping complex.